Alright guys, so we're going to be doing another car show today. So yeah, here we go. I don't know if it's gonna be as long as the other one, but still. Oh my gosh, I already seen my favorite Porsche ever. Okay, but this thing, those, some of the I've never seen that before. But oh, a bunch of trophies and stuff. There it is. That's literally my favorite Porsche. Over here, guys. Hold on. So there goes that. Oh, it's for sale as well. How much money? Okay. Pretty cool engine. No. Here's my favorite Porsche right here. I'm gonna have to blur out license plate. But this thing is sick. Oh, Corvette right there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I really love this Porsche so much. Porsche 911 Turbo. Super sick. And this thing, 1968, you can read that if you want. Pretty cool. This thing's cool. I like that. And you can look up on. Oh, that's cool. The color, I like that. This is pretty cool as well. The engine. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. Oh my gosh. The engine is so cool. The seats are blue. This is really cool. And then, I don't even know what this thing is, but it's sick. Z28. This thing's sick. Cool little Challenger. And oh my, Dad. So many ducks. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna be posting a lot of stuff today probably. I'm gonna have to edit this. That's gonna take so long. This thing is sick. I really like this. More duckies. There's so many ducks. Okay. Oh my, look at the line. Oh wait, that was at the other car show that we went to a long time ago, I think. But just a full-on lineup of Corvettes over here. I like this one a lot. I really like that one. Oh! What is this? This thing's sick.
That's what color blue Steve's in the 66. And those are the same wheels you've got on it too, Alan. That blue one.
Hold on, I'm going to look over here. So here we got some of these. Now this is what I want to look at. Not that. This thing looks sick. I really like rusty cars. They look really cool. The engine is so clean and so. Do you think that this is painted?
No, they rusted it.
And then, oh my gosh, we're gonna have to go down that. Oh, I love those. I've seen those a lot. I really like those. Okay, I'm gonna go down this line real quick. Let's check this out. Oh my gosh. Then I have right here. This thing is sick. Oh my gosh. It's like a Mandalorian, bro. That thing is sick. That thing's so cool. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This car is sick. Let me see the back of it. I'm gonna have to blur that license plate out as well, but still. That's cool. This is like really cool. I really like this. And look at the X's. Oh, bro, when the like lights are like changing. Bro, okay, now this is sick. Yo. The Smurf. And that's so cool.
Yeah, you're smart.
Yeah. It's sick. And over here they have like a Cobra thing. I really like that. I don't know what it is. I just really like these as well. These are just really cool. Fun, the engine. So, cool things over here. In there, it looks super cool. Who's that for sale? Mercedes over there. Mercedes for sale. Yeah, that. Right here? I like the engine. And then that big old thing.
Big old thing.
Huh?
Big old thing.
Yeah.
Smaller one.
Yeah. It's a smaller one, but it's really cool. But thank you for watching, and bye.